Have you ever noticed your life's biggest problems seem to appear after 11 pm? You lie down, your body is tired, your eyes are heavy, and that's the exact moment when your brain decides to open all the other tabs. And this isn't random. There's a specific switch in your brain that flips the moment you go quiet. And once you understand this, you can actually turn it down. Now, what exactly is this switch? During the day, your brain is busy. It is engaged in working, talking, learning, and many other things. But one part of your brain called as default mode network stays quiet because you're using other part of your brain to focus outward. Let me frame this again in a simplified manner so that you understand. Now think of your brain like a house with lights on. During day you're busy, so lights are on in every room. The talking room, the reading room, the watching room, the learning room, the studying room. But the moment you lie down and turn all the lights off, one light doesn't turn off. It turns on. And that's the room of thinking. Switching on now because it's the only one left unattended. And that's nothing but your default mode network. This network of your brain turns on only when your brain is not given outside work to focus on. And the bedtime is the biggest no task window of your entire day. Your brain isn't producing more problems at night, but it is less distracted at night. So your thinking loop is increasing. Default mode network is the reason why people rethink their relationships, text a emotional message at 2 a.m. and regret about it at next morning. But why would evolution build a brain that punishes you right when you're trying to rest? Let's get into that. Is this actually on purpose? Here's a debated theory and not actually settled one, which says unresolved problems are flagged as important by your brain and it tries to process them when nothing else is competing for the attention. In the past, that nighttime window have been only one of the times that your brain could replay the problems without any interruptions. Not everyone will agree to this. Some researchers think that your brain is not trying to protect you at all. It's just that the rumination requires low stimulation from outside. And by default, the bedtime is the least stimulation your body requires. On the either way, the conclusion is less outside input, more is the activity of your default mode network and more the overlooping thoughts. And this is all about the switch I was talking about. Now quickly let's check a myth which is usually mispresented a lot. You have probably heard the blue light ruins your sleep. That's half true. The other half, usually skipped, is more important. Blue light does suppress the melatonin a little bit, that part is real. But the newer researchers point something big. It's not about the light, it's about what you are doing on your phone. You're seeing the comments filled with arguments, you're watching a show which is so suspenseful, and you're seeing the unresponded messages which keep your default mode and the stress response activated. Watching something calm and similar on the same phone with the same blue light does not cause the same spike in the racing thoughts. The most important part, how to turn it down. So, I'll give 3 points or 3 methods you can apply in your life. First, watch what you consume in the last hours. It's not about the light, it's about what you feed your brain. All the conflicts things, unresponded things, and the suspense things, keep these for the early evening time, not when you're about to get into your bed. Set a worry window earlier in your day, giving 10 to 15 minutes for your brain to think actively about the problems you're facing. You're not allowed to think apart from this 10 to 15 minutes. This reduces the load your brain carries to bed. And the last one, the most important, most commonly practiced and the most effective. Write it down before the bed, not during. put your worries onto the paper, make a to-do list, all these sort of things which your brain actually wants to express. Once you are done, it reduces half of the mental load which you are taking to the bed. With all this, your brain is not your enemy. Tonight, when your brain opens all the time, remember you need not read them at this moment. And think about when was the last time you really solved a problem to you. Give it a thought and act smartly. Thank you.